Listen up, traders. If you've ever closed your platform at the end of a tough week, looked at your account balance, and felt that quiet sting, knowing you worked hard, followed your rules, but still ended up smaller, then pull closer. I'm speaking to you from a place I know too well. The long nights, wondering why the market seems stacked against the little guy. Why brokers smile while we struggle. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on the 10 hidden secrets the brokers don't want you to know. Not because they're evil masterminds, but because their entire business depends on you not fully understanding these truths. Once you do, the way you trade and the way you protect yourself changes forever. These secrets didn't come from a course or a guru. They came from years of pain, loss, confusion, and finally waking up. They saved my trading life when I was one bad month from quitting. More than that, they gave me back my power. Stay with me through every word, because this isn't about blaming brokers. It's about arming yourself with quiet knowledge that turns the tables. We'll uncover the first 3 secrets now, the ones that strike at the very heart of how the game is really played. The first hidden secret brokers hope you never grasp is this. Their money is made from your activity, not from your success. Most traders believe brokers want us to win because happy clients stay longer. The truth is simpler and colder. Brokers make money every time you click buy or sell through spreads, commissions, swap fees, whatever their model. They profit from volume, from how often you trade, not from whether you make money. The more you trade, the more they earn. Win or lose, they get paid. This is why so many broker platforms are designed to keep you active, fast executions, bright colors, constant alerts, easy one-click trading, leaderboards showing who's hot. It's all built to encourage action. I didn't see this for years. I thought my broker was my partner. I'd trade frequently, proudly showing activity in my account. I felt like a real trader, busy, involved. But month after month, my account shrank while their fees added up. One year, I counted. I paid thousands in spreads and commissions alone. My net profit? Negative. That realization hurt. Not anger at them, but sadness at myself for not seeing it sooner. The secret is, frequent trading is their dream, but it's usually your nightmare. Small, steady losses from overtrading are the silent killer of retail accounts. When you understand that activity feeds them and often starves you, something shifts. You start asking, do I really need to take this trade or am I just feeding the machine? Slowing down becomes an act of power. Protecting your capital becomes rebellion in the best way. The second hidden secret. Brokers know that most traders will lose slowly over time, and their entire system is built around that probability. They don't need you to blow up dramatically. They're happy if you lose just a little, week after week, year after year. Slow bleed keeps you in the game longer, paying fees longer. Dramatic blow-ups make people quit. Slow decline keeps hope alive. I'm close. Next month, I'll turn it around. This is why leverage is pushed so hard, why bonus offers come with volume requirements, why educational material often focuses on entries but barely touches risk management or psychology. I lived that slow bleed. My account would go up a bit, then drift down. Up a bit, drift down. Never quite dying, never quite growing. I blame myself. I just need better timing. While the fees and small losses quietly drained me. One day I exported my full trading history. The numbers were brutal. Hundreds of trades, thousands in fees, net negative. The broker had made good money off me. I hadn't. That moment broke my heart, not because I'd been tricked, but because I'd played along without realizing. The secret is, slow loss is their perfect outcome. Your defense is refusing to play that game. Risk tiny amounts. Trade infrequently. Accept small wins and small losses without drama. When you stop feeding the slow bleed, you start keeping more of what the market gives you. The third hidden secret. Brokers benefit when you treat trading like gambling instead of a disciplined craft. The flashing lights, the quick executions, the margin calls, the high leverage, all of it feeds the part of us that wants excitement, quick wins, big scores. They know if you trade like it's a casino, you'll stay longer and lose more steadily. Professional discipline, patience, small risk, waiting for clear moments is boring to watch and bad for their volume business. I treated trading like gambling for too long. Big risks on sure things. Staying in losers, hoping for reversal. Trading every day just to feel the rush. My account was a roller coaster. Big up days, followed by bigger down days. The broker loved it. High volume, high fees, one stretch. I went months like that, telling myself, this is how real traders operate. But real traders don't operate like that. They operate with quiet control. When I finally slowed down, risked tiny, waited patiently, the rush faded, but something better came. Peace and steady, small growth. Understanding that brokers profit from your excitement was freeing. It let me choose calm over thrill. It let me trade for my future, not for their fees. These first 3 secrets, their money from your activity, their comfort with your slow loss, their gain from your gambling mindset reveal the hidden structure of the game. They explain why so many good, hardworking traders struggle. But knowledge alone isn't power. Living differently is. That's where the next secrets show you how to turn awareness into protection. With your eyes now open to how the system quietly works against frequent emotional trading, let's move into the secrets that arm you with real protection. Simple but powerful ways to trade in a way that starves their model and feeds your growth. These are the choices that put you back in control. The 4th hidden secret. Brokers don't want you to know that the most profitable traders are the least active ones. The clients who cost them the most by withdrawing consistent profits are often the quiet ones, taking only a handful of trades per month. High activity clients pay the bills. Low activity winners take the money out. I discovered this by accident. During a month, I was sick and couldn't trade much. I took only 3 trades, all patient, small risk, clear opportunities. That month ended my best in years. The next month, I tried to get back to normal activity, more trades, more fees, net loss. The pattern was clear. Less activity preserved capital and let my edge work. Brokers push the idea that you need to be in the market to make money. The truth is, being selectively in the market at the right moments is what makes money. Choosing inactivity most days is one of the kindest things you can do for your account. The 5th hidden secret. Brokers hope you stay emotionally attached to every trade. When you're emotionally invested, hoping, fearing, needing the trade to work, you make worse decisions. You hold losers too long. You cut winners too early. You revenge trade. Emotional attachment creates volume. I was deeply attached to every position. Each trade felt like a test of my worth. A winner made me feel smart. A loser made me feel stupid. That attachment drove me to overtrade, over-risk, overstay. When I started treating trades as simple business decisions, this fits my plan or it doesn't, something beautiful happened. Emotional detachment brought clarity. I followed rules more easily. Losses stopped hurting my soul. Wins stopped making me reckless. Detachment isn't cold, it's freedom. It's trading from strength instead of need. The 6th hidden secret. Brokers benefit when you chase complicated strategies instead of mastering one simple approach. Complexity keeps you testing, tweaking, trading more setups, generating more fees. Simplicity done with discipline quietly builds wealth. I chased complexity for years. New strategies every few months, always thinking the next one would be it. Each change meant more trades while I tested, more fees, less consistency. When I finally settled on one clear, simple way, waiting for strong, obvious moves, small risk, clear exits, and committed to mastering it, results changed. Not dramatically at first. Slowly, steadily, beautifully. Simplicity let me focus on execution, not invention. It let my edge emerge over time. Brokers don't advertise simplicity because simple, disciplined traders trade less and keep more. These secrets, low activity, emotional detachment, committed simplicity, protect you daily. They starve the broker's model while feeding your growth. but protection needs purpose to last. That's where the final 4 secrets give you the deeper why and how. With protection and daily choices now shielding you, we reach the final 4 hidden secrets, the ones that turn survival into thriving and trading into something meaningful that lasts a lifetime. The 7th hidden secret. Brokers don't want you to build a life bigger than trading. When trading is your whole world, you'll trade through stress, tiredness, emotional turmoil, creating more volume. A full, balanced life makes you calmer, clearer, and far less active. I learned this after burnout. Trading was everything. No boundaries. Constant checking. Life suffered. Decisions suffered. When I rebuilt balance, protected family time, exercise, rest, hobbies, my trading improved dramatically. I showed up sharper. I traded less. I won more often. Balance made me harder to shake. A full life outside charts is one of the greatest protections against the slow bleed. The 8th hidden secret. Brokers hope you never track their fees separately. Most traders look only at profit, loss. They don't see how much they're paying to play. When you track fees alone, you see the real cost of activity. I started a simple spreadsheet, trading P, L in one column, broker fees in another. The fees column shocked me. Thousands paid for the privilege of frequent trading. Seeing it clearly made slowing down easy. Every avoided trade became money saved. Tracking fees turned awareness into action. It made me fiercely protective of unnecessary activity. The 9th hidden secret. Brokers benefit when you tie your worth to your account balance. When you feel good only on green days and terrible on red ones, you'll trade emotionally to feel better. Consistent self-worth, separate from results, creates calm consistency. I used to let my balance define me. Green day, proud. Red day, ashamed. That roller coaster drove bad decisions. When I separated my worth from my results, I'm valuable regardless of today's number. Peace came. I could take losses calmly. I could walk away proudly. Self-worth became my deepest armor. The 10th and final hidden secret. Brokers don't want you to know that patient, low activity, emotionally calm, simple trading can quietly make you wealthy over time while costing them profits. The traders who withdraw consistent money month after month, year after year, are the quiet ones living all these secrets. You've been playing a game designed for you to stay active and slowly lose. Now you know better. Live these 10 secrets, understand their business, protect against slow bleed, choose calm over excitement, trade rarely and simply, detach emotionally, build a big life, track real costs, protect your worth, and commit to patient growth. This knowledge is power, but only if you use it. Start small. Choose one secret to live fully this week, then another. Let them reshape your trading gently, daily. You've carried the weight of not knowing long enough. Now walk lighter. Trade calmer. Keep more. Live fuller. The broker's game works when you don't know these truths. It stops working when you do and when you live differently because of them. You're not just a client anymore. You're awake. You're protected. You're building something real. The peaceful, growing account you've wanted isn't luck or a better setup. It's living on the other side of these secrets. Start today. One calm choice, one protected dollar, one patient wait. I'm proud of you for hearing this. For wanting more than the slow bleed. Keep going. The life of trading you deserve, the calm, consistent, free one is waiting. Walk toward it. You have everything you need now. Stay wise. Stay patient. Stay true to yourself. And watch everything change.